Hello friends, welcome to the introductory class on quantitative methods. I am Shamprit Chakraborty. Let me first take this opportunity to introduce myself. I am a faculty member for quantitative methods and Associate Dean of Academics. I have a Master's in Economics and Operations Research, followed by our MPhil in Management and an Executive Postgraduate Program in Management from the Indian Institute of Management, Kozhikode. I have around 16 years of teaching experience and around 10 years of consulting and training experience. I generally teach courses which has a heavy load of numbers. In semester 1, I generally take the course Quantitative Methods. In semester 2, I teach Operations Management. In semester 3, I teach Operations Research. And in semester 4, I teach Financial Business Analytics. Let me now introduce to you what is this course Quantitative Methods. This course is primarily a branch of applied statistics which takes and transforms numbers into useful information which is required for decision makers. With the help of this course, you will be able to learn how to reduce the uncertainty which is inherent in business decision making. So therefore, this course will teach you the right skills to use data for taking the right decisions. So my dear friends, if you ask me why we should learn quantitative methods, by learning this course, we would be able to properly present information. We would be able to draw conclusions about larger groups based on sample information. We would also be able to know how to improve processes and how we can get reliable forecast. My dear friends, you will find the applications of quantitative methods in every domain of business, whether it is in marketing, whether it is in production, whether it is in finance, or is it in human resource management. Now, what is there in this particular course? The course will start with basic concepts and will move through probability, sampling, estimation, testing, regression, and will end with linear programming problem. So to summarize this entire course, quantitative methods can be broadly divided into three broad divisions. The first is the descriptive analysis, second one is the inferential analysis, and the third one is the predictive analysis. And my dear friends, we are going to cover all these three divisions in semester 1 in the course Quantitative Methods. Thank you all till we meet in the online class. Stay at home and please stay safe.